Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn a normal selfie photo to be in the Colosseum, and this is for free. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can install this UpFoto first, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And this is the look after the installation of UpFoto, and you don't have to do the login first with your email to try several effect or filter in this UpFoto. But if you would like to get the full access to try this UpFoto, then you can go to this Pro, and after that you will see several package. There are 3 days of free trial, and also the monthly and also the yearly or annual package. Which one do you prefer? Let's say if you are prefer both of this, or I'm sorry, one of this, so you can click continue and do the payment. But if you would like to try this package in another day or another time, then it is okay. But maybe for now there will be several advertisement during the generation process, and also the picture will be sticked with the watermark. And if it's okay to you, so you can skip it and you can visit this pro in another time. And after that I will go to the AI filter, and the next one is you can go to the category of selfie. You can simply scroll down and until you find it out. So this will be the effect that we will use, guys. For example, this one, and after that it will bring you into this section to select a picture from your gallery. And for example, I will choose this one, and after you select a photo it will show you two options. And for the pro generate, it means that you will now see the advertisement on this pro version, so you need to do the payment to upgrade the version to be the pro version, guys. But if you are okay about the advertisement, then you can click generate here and watch the advertisement. I am sorry in advance, guys, because I cannot record the next step, because I actually have ever tried to record this, but it only show the black screen. Maybe it is about the privacy, but it is okay because the next step, it's still pretty easy, guys. After the generation process, on the top right corner, I'm sorry, will be there the save or download button. You can simply click that button, and after that it will also show you the advertisement, and finally the picture will be officially saved into your gallery. And don't worry, because I will show you the output, guys. So this is the result after the generation process and after you save or push that save button. Isn't that cool, right? So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this app photo with your device. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.